Before we get started, sit back and think about something fun that you did last weekend or that you might be planning to do in the coming weekend. Just something social is really what I mean by fun. I'm planning on joining my family for my mom's birthday party. What are you doing?
Aha. This coming weekend, I'm going on a long bike ride weekend, multiple days, riding all day, out in the sunshine. It's going to be fantastic.
That's great.
Now, think about the planning that went into or that will go into the activity. So, Debbie, for your mom's celebration, what kind of planning is there?
Well, I had to help plan the party. So we had to think about who to invite. We had to think about the food we want to be there. We had to find a room because she lives in an apartment now. There was actually a lot of planning that went
Yeah,
into it.
yeah. I mean, and for me, for a multi-day bike ride, like where are you going to stay and where are you going to eat and what about the routes and is there water that you can pick up along the way? All kinds of planning has to go into all of these fun activities.
And our point is life is a project, as a former
Yes,
coworker used to say. You're doing projects all the time and everywhere. And if you're here, you're probably already pretty good at them.
yes, absolutely.
So, as you go through this course, we want you to have a project that you're going to use to apply the exercises. If you don't have something from your work environment, pick something social to do. Or
Hmm.
if you're stuck on a concept, try to apply it to your social life. There's a big chance that you're going to get better and more satisfied at how you get things done throughout your life, at work or at home.
Yes.